Stay close, kids. This arcade is busy today.
Wow, I see so many games everywhere. Can we play them all?
We can enjoy a few activities together.
Let's choose slowly and take turns.
I want the fish game first. No, the racing game looks cooler.
Take turns, kids. No fighting today.
Okay, Mom, we can decide together.
Good.
Ready, everyone? Let's put the coins in.
This is so exciting. Wow, it's lighting up. Yay, it's so pretty. He looks like he wants to play.
Maybe he is waiting for someone. Do you want to play with us?
I just like watching games here.
You can play with us today.
Do you have any coins with you today? No, I forgot my money at home.
That is okay, Noah. We can share.
We still have enough turns. Wow, thank you.
Really? I do not want to bother you. Friends can take turns together.
Thank you, that sounds really kind.
Let's start with the claw machine first. Let's try for that teddy bear first.
Noah can take the first turn. Okay, I'll try. You can do it, Noah.
I will try very carefully now. Oh no, it almost caught the teddy.
That was close. Try again soon.
It slipped away, but you did well.
Thanks. I want to try again.
Now, Leo, you can try one turn.
I will aim very carefully. I think I almost got it.
Yes, the claw was really close. Let me try the claw now.
I hope it grabs the teddy. Come on, please grab it this time.
It is moving perfectly now.
It caught the teddy, Noah. Look carefully.
Wait, it is still holding on.
It is coming down very slowly now. Please do not drop the teddy.
It dropped into the prize box. We really got the teddy. I got the teddy out safely. That was an amazing turn, Mia.
This teddy should be yours, Noah. Really? I wanted it so much.
Thank you, Mia. This makes me really happy. I am glad we shared today. Now everyone feels happy with the teddy. I will remember this day forever.
Let's play another game together now. That sounds fun. I feel excited.
Let's try basketball before our coins finish.
I have never played this game before. Just throw the ball gently toward the hoop.
Okay, I will try my best now. I missed, but that was still fun.
Try again. Your next shot can win. I made it, Leo. The ball went in.
Yes, that was a perfect shot.
Great job, Noah. You are learning fast. Playing together makes this much easier.
Do you want to play racing next?
Yes, racing games look really exciting.
Choose the red car. It looks super fast. I want to race beside you.
Hold the wheel tightly when you turn. Okay, I am ready to race.
Good, let's go.
Press the pedal when the light changes. Okay, I will follow your advice.
The race is starting. Keep your eyes forward.
I am ready. Let's go fast together. I am turning, but the road is tricky. Stay calm, Noah. You are doing well.
You passed the turn, Noah. Great job.
I am getting better at this. I finished the race without crashing. See, practice can make things easier.
That race was awesome, Noah.
I feel braver than before. Kids, come rest with us for a minute.
Okay, Mom. Noah is coming too.
Did you have fun with Mia and Leo?
Yes, they were very kind to me. Can we help someone again someday?
Yes, kindness should happen often. Let's go shopping today.
I want cereal and biscuits.
Okay, sweetie, we'll get some.
This place looks really busy. There are many people here.
Stay close to me, please.
We will stay together, Mom. Look at those colorful apples.
They look fresh and sweet.
Mom, who is that man?
Which man are you talking about?
The man near bananas there.
He is probably shopping too.
He keeps looking our way.
Don't worry about him now.
Leo seems nervous suddenly.
Maybe he feels tired today.
I saw him again, Mom.
Where did you see him?
Near the cereal shelves now.
Let's continue shopping calmly.
Leo, what happened this time? The same man appeared again.
Are you completely sure though?
Yes, I saw him clearly.
Let's watch him carefully now.
Okay, but stay beside me. I will. There he is again, Mia.
You're right, that's strange. He entered this aisle too. That's exactly what I noticed.
Why is he following us?
Maybe it's just coincidence, Leo.
It keeps happening everywhere, though.
Let's tell Mom right now.
Mom, something feels really weird.
What are you two seeing?
That man follows every aisle.
Are you sure about that?
We saw him many times.
I'll pay attention now, kids. Stay close beside the cart.
Okay, Mom, I'm staying close.
Let's move somewhere different now.
Good idea, let's go quickly.
We changed aisles completely now.
I hope he stays away. Mom, he's here again now.
Let me see carefully, Leo. I noticed him too.
See, we weren't imagining it.
Don't panic, stay calm, children.
I'm trying, Mom, really trying.
I know, just breathe.
Should we tell an employee?
Not yet, let's observe first.
He looked directly at us.
I saw that as well.
This feels very uncomfortable, Mom.
I understand, stay together, please. Let's head toward checkout now.
Okay, that sounds safer, Mom. Yeah, let's go. He's walking behind us again. I noticed him near drinks.
Keep moving and stay calm.
I'm staying beside you, Mom.
Good, we're almost there.
Maybe he wants something important.
We don't know that yet.
What if he's dangerous, Mom?
Employees are nearby. Relax, Leo. The checkout area is ahead.
Good, I feel safer there.
Need any help?
No, thank you. Let's join that checkout line.
Okay, Mom, we're coming now.
Good, stay close.
He's entering this area too.
Yes, I can see him.
He's getting closer. Mom, he's getting much closer.
Stay behind me, children, please.
My heart feels really fast.
Mine too, honestly, Leo. Everything will be all right, kids.
I hope you're right, Mom.
Excuse me, can I help?
Why are you following us?
Please don't misunderstand me, ma'am.
Then explain this situation, please.
I tried reaching you earlier.
Why didn't you speak sooner?
There are reasons. It's complicated. You dropped something important today.
Dropped something? What was it?
I found this near produce.
Wait, that's my wallet. He wasn't following us then?
No, I wanted to help you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for your honesty.
You're very welcome, ma'am.
He was helping us then? I think he really was.
I feel embarrassed now, honestly.
Me too, I was scared. Thank you for helping us.
I'm glad everything worked out.
Let's thank him together, kids.
Thank you very much, sir.
Always help people when possible.
That's a really good lesson.
What did we learn today?
Stay calm and tell adults. Don't run away when scared.
Exactly, that's very important.
We should never panic first.
Correct. Always think carefully. Let's finish shopping now.
Can we get cereal still?
Yes, we can buy some.
Best news all day, Mom.
Today became quite an adventure.
A scary adventure at first.
Let's head home together now.
That sounds perfect, Mom.
It does, doesn't it?